Like,
Ready? All right. And down here, you see the floors in it. They do not make floors for this car like I told you before. You have to take and make things work. And that's what I'm going to do. But I'm not going to put just any sheet metal. I've got it for a 66 to 70 or so Mustang, and I'm going to weld them in. Door panels don't look too bad. I'm going to have to get new ones though. Headliner, I've got a roll bar to go into it because I want to make this car somewhere in the 11s or 10 second quarter mile. Next year or the year after, depending on when I do it, this car is probably going to get a 552 or 557. I've got a set of Kazi heads, P51s. Let's see if I can get this open. This trunk here is going the way of the dodo. Come over here.
just move past everything.
See, this is what I got to teach myself too, metalworking. Because if you look right here, this is all bad. All the trunk gutters, all the way around. I don't worry about this because I've got another trunk in there. But this stuff here, I've got to make. And you can see my trunk in here. I got to cut that out. And I'll put pictures up on the, when I post this. You'll see how the Chevelle fits in there. And this is it. But I love this old car. You know, could I do better by buying another one? Not one of these because they're fairly rare. But hit the button, let's go back inside.
Start.
All right. Started raining on me, that's why I stopped out there and I